Hi everyone, can you people hear me? Am I audible, guys? I see 13 people are there. You can chat actually. You can just drop Y in the chat if you can hear me. 13 people. Govind, Jimmy. Jimmy. Hi, Jimmy. Jitendra, Madhavadash, Pradeep, Rangnath. Okay, Satyabrata. Okay, there are quite a lot of people. Ujjal. Hi everyone. So if you people can hear me, you can just drop Y in the chat. So I'll get to know you people can hear me. We are expecting, hi Santosh Kumar, hi Santosh. So we are expecting a lot of people. We will wait. We still have 3-4 minutes for them. Let them join. आने देते हैं उनको. उसके बाद सेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. Let everyone join. Thank you, Madhava Das. What you people are doing, what you do, Jimmy, if you can drop in the chat, it would be great. But anyhow, I am going to launch polls, by the way, so you people will get to see what are the polls we are doing. What about other people? You people can see me? Hi. दिखाई दे रहा? Can you people see me? Am I visible, guys? Okay, people are chatting. Yeah, hi everyone. Hi Niharika, thank you for confirming. What about Shubham? What about Vujjal? What about hi Ashok? Hi. What about Satyabrata? What about other people? Ranganath. I hope everyone can see me because few people have given the clarification. We still have 2 minutes, so we will wait for our friends to come in. I mean, आप लोग जो भी join कर रहे हैं, जो लोग, जितने लोग, and then we will give it a kickstart. How many of you understand Hindi? I'm not telling, this session is on English, by the way, but still, anyone who understands Hindi, you can just type H in the chat if you understand Hindi. That would be great. Binod understands Hindi. Niharika understands Hindi. Okay, a lot of people. Deepak Shinde, Mumbai, is it? Then we have Prathamesh. We have Munaza. Okay, a lot of people can understand Hindi as well. See, I'm asking this because we usually get a different crowd. Okay, there is a crowd from India, there is a crowd from outside. From India also, there are a lot of people coming in. बहुत लोग different states से belong करते हैं. So maybe few people don't know Hindi. Maybe, just maybe. But it happens, by the way. It technically happens. Well, we still have a minute. We'll still give it some time for people, a minute or two to join in. Then I'll introduce myself and we will kickstart the session from there. No, you didn't miss anything, Beva. We haven't started yet. You are at the right time. You are at the right session. you are all good. You haven't missed anything. You will get to do a lot of things right now. तो उस पे अगर आप डिस्कनेक्ट करते हो then you will miss. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, 38 people joined. I see more people have joined. Anand, Anita, G, then Ashok, then Jimmy, then Krupa. Can you all hear me and see me? जो जितने लोगों ने भी अभी ज्वाइन किया, people who have just joined, okay, 40 people, it's increasing. Hello Satish. Hello Satish, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Okay, what about see, I told you, see, there is one person called Jitendra. He is telling, sir, Hindi please. That's the thing. So here we are doing the class predominantly on English. Okay, hence I will be speaking Hindi, but very less. Okay, because there are crowd from different kind of audience. Okay, so they are from different walks of life. Everyone doesn't speak Hindi. Yeah, Selva Kumar is saying, sir, English is best. See, the point is, सबको समझ में आना चाहिए, okay? Everyone have to understand. So that's why this general language. Doing great. Thank you, Satish. You didn't ask me, by the way, how I'm doing, but okay. Mayur saying yes. Yeah, hi, Mayur, hi. Well, there are 50 people out there right now. We have a lot to do in the session today, so Yeah, Murali is saying why. Yeah, thank you, Jitendra. Thank you. No, 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 not bad manners, man. You might be on a very rush mode, so you are just doing your work. No, that's great. I'll tell you my name, boss. I'll tell you, Ashok, what my name, who the hell I am. सब कुछ बताऊंगा मैं. थोड़ा time दो सबको join होने दो. There are 50 people right now. I will just do it in some time. I'm just gelling up with you people. Not only that, I'll even shoot quite a few polls that I can understand what you people do, what you people are up to. So I will introduce completely myself. Few of you people may know me. Yeah, it's all good, Ashok. It's all good, not a problem. It's not a language class. We are, again, predominantly going with English, but that's not a problem. That's all good. More people are joining in. Hello, hello, Mukund, Vignesh. Hello, Mukund. How are you doing, man? I hope all good. Well, it's 7:03 now. Now I'll go on and start the session. One second. Hello, Shivam. Hello, Shivam. Hello, Omkar. Hi, everyone. Well, all right, guys. So myself, Somendra. Okay, and you people are here in Kalada Academy session. This session, yeah, thank you, Mukund. Thank you for replying. So this session is meant to be a masterclass for Google Ads. Okay. It's already 7 p.m. We will give it a kickstart now. Now, whoever joins in after that, they are going to be on the floor. You people have joined at the right time, and I really appreciate that. Thanks a lot for joining on time. Well, so my name is Somendra, and I am into digital marketing since quite a lot of time. I'll show you my profile and all right now itself. I'll start sharing my screen and we'll just start from there. So the session, how the session goes on, I'll just tell you before that. So again, I will first of all introduce myself, okay? Then I'll ask you people what you people are doing. Don't worry, you don't have to type, you don't have to write, you just have to click, okay? मैंने polls बना के रखे हुए हैं. I have created quite a few polls. So if you just answer those polls, that would be more than enough for me to know about you. That's it. I need to do this because I really want to understand what is the kind of audience that I'm interacting to. Second phase. Third phase, we'll talk a little about Kalada Academy. Fourth, jumping onto the content and complete, I think, 40 minutes into the content. Then we'll have something called Q&A. How many of you know about Q&A? Q&A is question and answer. So if anyone have any questions after everything, not right now, class khatam hone ke time pe, 10 minutes, 15 minutes we'll get for Q&A. We'll also pitch one of our courses to you. If you would like to subscribe, you can 100% subscribe to that. If you do not like to subscribe, please don't subscribe. It's all good. You can do this session. So we'll do a Q&A, and the Q&A is based on, again, digital marketing, content curation, Google Ads, and whatnot. You can ask me as many questions as you want. Please be sure that your questions are related to the topics. That's it. Moving on, I'll share my screen now. Please give me a heads up if you can see my screen. मैं वीडियो शायद बंद कर दूंगा अभी because I really want you people to focus on the screen. Just give me a second. हाँ, अभी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा होगा ओमकार. I will share the screen. अभी रुक जाओ. One second. Let me turn on my video, then share my screen. Yeah. Need some motivation to finish the course. Vignesh, I will motivate you enough, I believe. But by the way, you need to have the push. Guys, can you see my screen now? Is it visible? Can you drop a Y in the chat? Can you drop a Y? Thank you, Omkar. Thank you. चलो अभी शुरू करते हैं. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you. Got it, Sriram. Got everyone. See, guys. Now myself, Somendra. Okay, this is my profile. I'll drop my link into into our chat box. You people can just just connect with me if you are interested. If you are not interested, please don't connect with me. If you are not interested, well, have a look at it. time. I have been working since 2014. I have been a freelancer. I still do freelancing. I am also a freelancer. So I have been freelancing since 2014. I work as a trainer and a consultant. I freelance for different projects. With Colada Academy, as you see, it's here. With Colada Academy, I'm a full-time trainer and a consultant at Colada Academy. Yes, I hold an MBA. I'm a business school student, so I did my Masters of Marketing, postgraduate diploma, definitely MBA, and marketing. I did it on digital marketing and marketing. I have worked with several companies. If you really are interested to know about me, you can read quite a lot about me. So you will get to see where all I have been featured, what are the blogs that I am running on, what is my business website, and much more. Quite a lot of things you'll get to know. I'm not going to go through those in details unnecessarily right now, क्योंकि अभी उसका कुछ फायदा है नहीं. You do not need to know much about me. You need to know about the course. You need to know about the class, right? Well, so again, I have been freelancing since quite a lot longer time, around 7 years or 8 years right now. I am associated with different companies. I have helped different companies as a consultant. You can just go through and check. You can thoroughly check my profile. I have been associated with different edtech companies. Quite a lot of edtech companies I have been associated with. Even a few of my courses have reached even more than 8 lakhs in the online portals. Once you join the sessions of Colada, I'll even show you that. But that's with a different kind of institution and all. Yeah, I hold a B School degree. So that's also, I happen into this field and I am predominantly into digital marketing. I'm a full stack digital marketer. So I do everything in digital marketing, by the way. I design websites, I create content. Definitely I create video content, I create audio content, I create text content. By the way, for your information, I even do run a blog and that blog is driven towards freelancing, digital marketing, technical, that is completely into technology. We do also have money-making stuffs, social media, automation, a lot of technical stuffs, okay? Digital marketing, and a lot of technical stuff. So you can just see that. This is my blog that I'm running on. I also have a business website, all right? So this is what I do. I'm even available on Twitter. You people, if you are interested, I tweet a lot of valuable stuff, okay, that really adds on a lot of value towards digital marketing concepts. So if you are really interested, you can follow me. I'll just drop this link. If you are not interested, do not need to follow. Don't follow. If you are interested, you can follow. Oh, screen chala gaya. Ek second. I don't know why. Yeah, it will again come up. No screen. Yeah, no problem. I'll just reshare. This Demio creates a little issue while joining. Now, can you people see? Yeah, I got it, guys. Now is it visible? Yeah, thank you. Okay, a lot of people said the screen is not there. Okay, fair enough. So this is my Twitter. I'll again show you. So I tweet a lot of things on Twitter. If you are, again, interested, you people can 100% follow me. I was also going through my LinkedIn profile. I was telling you people that how many companies that I have worked with as a consultant, as a trainer, as a digital marketing professional as well. So you can also check that on my LinkedIn. I have even dropped my LinkedIn link in the chat bot. In the chat box, so you can just copy it from there, and if you are interested, then only you can connect with me. I tweet quite a few valuable things on Twitter, so you can also get me on Twitter if you are interested. If you are not interested, please do not connect. If you are only interested, then you can follow me on Twitter. You can also follow me on LinkedIn. I am quite active on LinkedIn. I have a nice amount of followers out there as well. So given that you are interested, you can follow. I do run a blog. This is the blog that I was talking about. So I run a blog, and this blog is dedicated to technology, digital marketing, consulting, marketing in general. Then IT is there. Then automation is there. You can see. Then analytics is also there. So all of these things I have been doing. All right. So it's in a nutshell like an experience of quite a few years that I have. Now moving on to the next part. With Colada Academy, we are a group of people. We have established ourselves in a way that we are really doing good in the market. We have a good review as well. Out of 5, we have around 4.8 review. And at the same point of time, we make sure that our courses are very affordable. Like today, if you see in the digital marketing niche, most of the courses that you have, those will somewhere cost you somewhere around, let's say 70,000 to a lakh of rupees. Not to compare, but still. but we make sure that the courses that we are providing are affordable. So making education affordable is our motto. Our founder is Mr. Santesh Kalada. You can definitely get him on LinkedIn if you want to really check his profile. Well, we predominantly drive online instructor led sessions. Exactly something that you are doing right now. अभी जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे सेम चीज हम लोग करते हैं. वी डू इंस्ट्रक्टर लेस सेशंस. हम लोग का कैमरा ऑन रहता है जब आप जूम पे रहते हो. वी डू इट इन दिस टूल दैट इज जूम. So when you are on Zoom, what happens is you can see me 100% throughout the session, as well as I can see you. You people enable your camera. You people can speak actually. We have already trained more than 55,000 people so far, and yeah, we are still counting. So this is about Kalada. Now moving on to today's session. Now today's session, you people have come up here to understand one thing and to learn one thing, at least at an intermediate level, that is called Google Ads. Now, before I get into that, I really want to know about you people a little bit. और उसके लिए मैं कुछ polls shoot करूंगा. आप लोगों को उस polls के answer देने हैं, right? So, okay, wow, there are a lot of people have joined right now. I started this session, by the way, for all of your information, with 57 people. लेकिन अभी there are a lot of people. Great. Okay, guys. So I have stopped sharing my screen. I'll shoot these polls right now. Kindly take the polls. ये रहा आपका पहला पोल जिसे कहते हैं कि what you do. So I really want to know about you people, like what you people are up to. Are you people students? Are you people like employees of any company? I mean, you are a working professional or a businessman, or what exactly it is? So kindly give me the polls. I'll enable my camera. Okay. Businessmen are there, working professionals are there, students are there, housewives are there. Wow, hi, welcome. Thank you for joining the session, whoever is there as a housewife, because you really have the courage to come out. Okay, businessman, freelancer. All right, I got it, guys. Thanks a lot for the polls. Let me tell you, there are a lot of people who are students and businessmen, as always. हम लोगों के sessions पे most of the cases student and businessmen ज़्यादा रहते हैं. Working professional भी बहुत रहते हैं, लेकिन वो लोग upskill के लिए आते हैं. They come up here for upskilling. Then next question, why are you learning digital marketing now? We are right now in a Google Ads session. So why you are doing it? So what is the purpose of you of doing Google Ads or digital marketing for a matter of fact? So I have just shooted the poll. It will just come up to you. Just a second. Just a second, guys. Yeah, why are you learning digital marketing? I'll shoot this poll. Kindly take the poll. Poll is not going, is it? Can you people hear me properly? One second, guys. I'll retry the poll. This seems that poll is not going away. Oh, yeah, the poll has taken. Yeah, kindly take up the poll. Why are you doing digital marketing? So are you looking for a job? Are you looking for upskilling? What exactly is the reason? Are you people taking the poll? I can't see actually. All right, all right. Most of the people are taking the poll. do anything. Yeah, my screen sharing is not enabled actually. That's why you can't. That's why you can't hear me. My screen sharing I have disabled. Now you people can hear me, right? अभी आ रही है ना आवाज जितेंद्र? हाँ. Okay, next poll पे क्या है? Job के लिए most of the people. Okay, no, start freelancing. Wow, a lot of people want to start freelancing. Okay, now the next thing that I have you done digital marketing before? So is it like you people have done digital marketing? Can you take this poll? Just yes or no? No, 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 no. 17, 18, 20. Everyone please take the poll. Okay, 45, 50. 45 people haven't done digital marketing before. Guys, chat pe mat dalo. Do not drop it in the chats, guys. Please do this in the polls, okay? Do this in the poll. Okay, most of the people haven't. Great. So now the next question that you have is this one, that would you like to take up the ADMC program? Again, the answer can be yes or no. Don't hesitate to answer. So is it like something that you are looking for? Would you like to take up the ADMC course? Wow. Okay. Okay, 18 people, 19, 21, 25. Awesome. Most of the people seems they want to take up. Great, guys. I will show you the results of the polls. आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा चल क्या रहा था backend पे. Have a look. I'll share my screen. Kindly give me a heads up if you can see my screen. Now the session also starts again, and we see the screen. अब देखो polls के results कैसे हैं. Can you see my screens? Can I see a Y in the chat from any one or two people? That's it. Yeah, thank you, Pramod. Awesome. Niharika says yes. Well, let's go for the polls then. हम लोग polls को एक बार देख लेते हैं. Well, the first poll was, see, most of the people are working professional this time and businessman and then students. There are also housewives. Really appreciate every one of you to take up the poll. Okay, see, why you are learning digital marketing? There are a lot of people willing to start freelancing. That's awesome. Really appreciate that. I myself is a freelancer also. Have you done digital marketing before? 48 people haven't done digital marketing. So only 78% of the audience haven't done. Few people have done. Would you like to take up the ADMC course? 35 people says yes, we would like to. 18 people says no, we will not like to. That's awesome. That's not a problem. Moving on. So yeah, hi Shiva, hi. See, so what do we have for the day? Now please focus on the screen again. We have something called Google Ads. Okay, Google Ads hota kya hai, right? What are Google Ads? When it comes to Google Ads, no, it's nothing more or nothing less than let's call it a medium to grow your business. Okay, now how does it work? When it comes to Google Ads, right, you got to do a tons of things. Let me show you. I'll keep on going inside and showing you, but I really want to give you a basic idea of this page. See, when you want to do Google Ads, you have to get into this platform, and the name of the platform is called ads.google.com. I'm dropping it in the chat. Okay, that's called ads.google.com. अगर आप ads.google.com पे जाओगे ना, you will get to see grow your business with Google Ads. Now, can anyone out there, anyone out of these 100 of people, take a basic example of Google Ads? कहाँ आपको Google Ad दिखता है? I'll give you one example. YouTube ads पे you get to see Google Ads. You get to see Google Ads in YouTube ads. Can anyone tell what is the next example? ACRP. Wow, awesome. Who is this? Shamna. Okay, that's great. Shamna, can you give the full form of ACRP? I'll write here if you know it, or I will just write it. Online newspaper. Awesome. Screen nahi dikh. Hey, screen is there, right, guys? Guys, screen dikh raha hai na? Can you people see the screen? Google search results at top. No, that's not the full form. Yeah, search engine results page. Satish is right. Search engine results page. Sriram is right. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, screen is visible. Great. So it is search engine results page. Thanks a lot, guys, for dropping it in the chat. See, you get to see Google Ads in different places. किसी ने कहा यहाँ पे कि we get to see Google Ads in all kind of websites. Mukund said that. He is completely right. Bhavna says we get to see that on websites. Bhavna is completely right. Then there are other people who are telling we get to see it in, okay, there are different positions that they have told it. Great. You people are now you basically have to understand. I'll reshare my screen. Yeah, inside website display ad. बहुत सही. Very great. What is this? It's getting DC in between. Yeah, voice is not there, is it? 1 second. Can you people hear me? Am I audible, guys? Is it audible? Yeah. So that's completely right. What you people were saying is Google ads are every time when you get to see is most of the cases Google ads are quite clear and they always make sure that you got to have something to do. Now, if you see it here, no, see, I'll just type something like, let's say data science institutions. Okay. Now, when you go for data science institution, now you get to see there are different results, right? One second. Why is it audible now? Can you people hear me now? Then why it's going in between? I don't know, man, because I am thinking it's the flow is there. Okay. Is my Google screen visible? Because I see the screen sharing option is enabled here, but I see continuously some people is like, okay, now it's there. All right. So what I was telling you is when it comes to these kind of different results, right? You get to see that there are different companies who are already there. Okay, they are actually trying to do business, but at the same point of time, if you go on the top, no, I'll use a tool that's called snipping tool. Okay, that's called snipping tool. I'll take a snip of this and I'll explain you how Google ads work. So take a snip of it. Now this is a Google ad, guys. Okay, इसे कहते हैं Google ad. This is Google ad. Can you see how can you notify this? This is how you notify. This is how you get to understand that what is a Google ad, because in a Google ad, always the ad thing will be mentioned. Can anyone tell me anywhere else did you experience this thing? ये जो ad वाला panel है, ये कहीं और आपने देखा है? Can anyone tell me where you have experienced this ad connotation of ad? No one. Okay. Haven't you seen? FB Insta पे ad नहीं रहता, promotion रहता, but yes, that's right. Searching for a product, yes, right. Social media, completely right. Well, so this is the thing. Most of the people, when they search for different things, now let's say I'm looking for eyeglasses or I'm looking for t-shirts online. See, this is again an ad, okay? पहले ये ad था, अब देखो और नया वाला ad चला आया यहाँ पे. This is another ad. All right. See, this is another ad. You get to see the ad option here. Now, you know, these all ads, guys, again, all of these types of Google ads, okay, are managed by one platform called ads.google.com. I'll again drop the link if you people have missed it out. It's called ads.google.com. Now, the question that would come up is, why is it like ads.google.com? Okay. हर जगह पे, हाँ, right, हर जगह पे मिल जाएगा. In most of the cases, you will get these kind of ads. Now, when it comes to ads.google.com, guys, what exactly do you get to do with ads.google.com? You get to set these ads. आप ये सारे ads को set कर सकते हो. But how? The question is how. Before we understand the how, कि कैसे इसको set कर सकते हैं, we will understand what are the different versions of ads. Okay, हमको ये समझना है कि different versions क्या है. I'll keep writing it over the chat. Let's go for it. The first ad that you get is search engine ad. What are those ads? This is the ad of search engine ad. Back पे चले आओ. ये जो ad है ना यहाँ पे, this is a search engine ad. You know why? Because ये जो ad है यहाँ पे you get to see there is only text content. Okay, into this ad there is only text content. These are all text contents, and there is no image. Okay, there is no display, there is nothing, no phone number, nothing. These are all search engine ads, and these ads are driven by text. If you click on this, no, you redirect to Intellipaat.com data science and artificial intelligence course. Same, the other ad is shopping ads. How many of you know about shopping ads? I think few of the people would know shopping ads. Now, if you see shopping ads, if you write about t-shirts online, now you will get to have shopping ads over here. Now, these are shopping ads. If you click on any of these, no, you redirect to the t-shirt that you are willing to purchase. जो कोई भी t-shirt है, ये वाला है, ये वाला है कि ये वाला है, जो भी t-shirt है, you can purchase. You want to check? Let's click on this men's t-shirt. All right, have a look at it. I have redirected to this men's t-shirts wala page. These are shopping ads. Can anyone call out other ads? Or kya kya ad hai? Shopping ad hai, search engine ad hai. Yeah, Bewakoof, Myntra, there are different. What are the other ads? It starts with a V. Anyone? What is the other ad? Video ads. Kisi ne, where do you see this video ad, guys? Can anyone? Where do you see this video ad? Video ad, banner ads, but YouTube, that's right. You get to see video ads on YouTube. Let's go YouTube right now. Let's go for youtube.com. Now, once you go for youtube.com or YouTube as a social media, let's get into. All right, now let's say you want to play something. Okay, let's say I want to play a video, this music video, or let's say I want to play some other videos, and this video of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, of this music, let's say, let's play this T-series music. Well, now guys, have you witnessed this? See, this is an ad, but not only that, यहाँ पे दो किस्म के ad है. There are two types of ads in here. See, this is one ad. इसके काफी सारे elements है. Okay, these are all the elements. See, I'll highlight the elements. One element here is actually the name of the brand which ad is actually going on. The next element is how long is the ad and how many ads are there. The other element is skip element. We call them, can anyone tell me what do we call them? We call them skippable ads. Oh, wow, that's great. Skippable ad. Okay, it's called skippable ads. That's awesome. But you know what? This is not the only one. There is another version of ads. I'll just show you. Click on this, and this is the other version of ads. Okay, this is again on YouTube, and this comes along when you create a YouTube ad itself. These kind of ads are there, but these are not video ads. These are something called display ads. I will show you more display ads. Let's go to a website called Gadget 360. When you come down to Gadget 360, click on this Gadget 360 thing. All right. Now, see, can anyone tell me which one is the display ad over here? कोई बता सकता है display ad कौन सा है? Backlinks redirected, awesome. Forced ads. There is no forced ads. You have searched for that, Bajrang. That's why you have got it. Amazon. Amazon, yeah, that's great. Niharika also says Amazon. Who was the other one? Shamna says Amazon. Binod says Amazon. That's great. This is a display ad, guys. Here we go. This is a display ad. Not only this, but how do I know, you know, if you just click on this cross sign, no, you get to see ads by Google. Similarly, this is also a display ad, ads by Google. Now, there are different versions of ads, guys. बहुत सारे versions हैं. अभी चलो देखते हैं कि इसको बनाते कैसे हैं. जब भी आप ads.google.com पे आते हो, whenever you come down to ads.google.com, no, you got to create these kind of ads. Now, let's say you have a company, or you have a brand, or you yourself is an influencer. I mean, whatever you are, okay. Or let's say you are working for a client, and that client is selling computers. Those are laptop computers, and those computers are having a very good quality and a very good this thing, a very good configuration. You want to tell your audience about these kind of laptops, and you want to show display ads to these people, or you want to show image ads to these people, or you want to show shopping ads. You want to see right now, see laptops online. Dekho, shopping ads will come up. See, shopping ads are coming up. Now the question that you should ask me is, how do you create these ads? See, if you come down to this platform, that is ads.google.com, you click on get started. Once you click on get started, you get redirected to a panel. This is the panel somehow looks like, okay? For every one of you who all is going to run ads and all, this is the panel is somehow would look like. Now let's say I want to create any version of an ad. Let's say I want to create a display ad, or I want to create this ad that is a SERP ad. Someone said this is a ACRP ad. Kaise banega? When you come down to this, you click on this plus sign. First of all, if you want to create ads, then can anyone tell me what you need to have? The most important thing that you need to have with Google is, it starts with a G, by the way, guys. G se start hota hai. Can anyone tell? Google account, super awesome. It's a Gmail account. Thanks a lot, Shamna. It's a Gmail account. Gmail account is most important or mandatory. Without a Google account, yeah, everyone is right. Without a Google account, you cannot create these ads. ये जो मेरा account यहाँ पे है ना, ये Google से है, ये Gmail से है. See, I have multiple accounts, okay? If I just switch it to any other Gmail account, I can do that also. लेकिन उस पे क्या होगा कि मेरा जो ad है, that will be running through a different account. So it depends clients to client. For some client, I can run ads from this account. For some client, I can run ads for this account. There are even more details. If you do a Google Ads course with us, that is for 6 days, you will get to know more about it, by the way. But today, let's understand on a surface level things. See, if you click on this plus sign now, then there are many options. One option that is most important is new campaign. Click on new campaign. Now, whenever you create ads, no guys, these are all called campaigns, okay? These are called campaigns. You are setting up campaigns. Let's go ahead and set up a campaign. Now see, didn't I tell you that there are different versions of ads? Now, as well as these versions of ad that you got, then is shopping ads you got display ad, you got video ads and whatnot. With all of these versions, guys, let's have a look at the versions. So with all of these versions, you even have objectives. Can anyone explain what is an objective? Can anyone explain what is an objective like? An objective is selling a product. Okay, what else can be an objective? Can anyone tell? Or kya ho sakta hai objective? Product selling can be an objective. But what else can be an objective? Or kya ho sakta hai objective? Leads, super awesome. Leads can be an objective. Marketing is awareness. Can be objective. Promotion can be an objective. To get a landing page, yes. So these are the objectives. That's great. Most of the people, that's great. Everyone is right. Profit is not an objective, but leads is an objective. Business is an objective. Sales is an objective, right? See, all of these objectives are there. Okay. If you understand Google Ads on a surface level, you will get it. All of these objectives are there. Now, when we do it in the class, we get into all the objectives in the real classes, but today is on a surface level, you will be seeing. So we'll just show you one or two objectives in a way. So if you want to do it for sales, if you want to do it for leads, if you want to do it for website traffic, let's say you have a website like this, Colada Academy, and you want to have traffic. Traffic का मतलब है audience. Audience का मतलब है आपको यहाँ पे तादाद चाहिए. You want how many people are visiting this page. If you want traffic, no, you can run on ads on website traffic. Someone said brand consideration. See, brand consideration pe bhi ad hai. Someone said brand awareness. Here also ads are there. Someone said app promotion. Here also ads are there. Someone said local store visits. There also ads. Now let's try out how ads are set up. Let's say we are going for sales or we are going for website traffic. Now under every niche, guys, again, please understand this layer. This works on layers. Every ad works on layers, not only Google Ads. Under this, no, you have got campaign types. That is display campaign, shopping campaign, video campaign, discovery campaign, search campaign. What is a search campaign? This is a search campaign. Okay, display you saw, video you saw, shopping campaign, video campaign. All of these different campaigns have been set up on each and every objective. So let's say our objective is website traffic. Click on website traffic. Then you have to set the type of the campaign. I will, let's say, set a search traffic. This kind of campaign I will create. So I'll click for search and I'll click on continue. Click on continue. Now see, it will ask you, please drop a goal of the website. So which website you are driving traffic. So let's say you have to add your website. Okay, I will add, let's say, my own website here. And I will click on continue. See, the website will be loaded and it will be clicking on continue. Now, once you click continue, you redirect to a full panel. Okay. See, now this is a panel where you can set up a campaign. ये जो देखो यहाँ पे 4 स्टेज है. एक स्टेज है सेटिंग अप कैंपेन सेटिंग्स, दूसरा स्टेज है सेटिंग अप एड ग्रुप्स, तीसरा स्टेज है क्रिएट एड्स, चौथा स्टेज है रिव्यूज, रिव्यूइंग द एड. आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव हो गया. कैंपेन टाइप आप यहाँ पे कैंपेन नेम पे नाम दे सकते हो. सो लेट्स से माय ब्लॉग वेबसाइट एड and it's a search ad. So I'll write search ad. Scroll down. This is the network. See, what is a search network? Search network is a network where you get traffic from google.com. Okay. So let's say in Google, I am searching best wristwatches. See, I am getting traffic through shopping ads and all. This is again helping me getting traffic, getting leads from search network. This is what is a search network. What is a display network? Can anyone explain a display network? Anyone explain a display network? Can anyone explain a display network? What is a display network? Anyone? Just one line or 2 lines. Anyone? No one? Guys, YouTube can be a display network. Blogs can be a display of ads. That's right, display of ads. But see, this is a display. यहाँ पे क्लिक करने पे आप Netflix पे जाओगे. All right, and that is through display network. This is a display network. This is a blog network. Blog network, display network होता है. यहाँ पे क्लिक करने पे आप ये क्या है, ये AC या क्या बेच रहे हैं ये लोग, उस पे जाओगे. These people are selling something. उस Wonderla, okay, उस पे जाओगे. These are display showing ads in Google partner sites. Completely right. Google, Facebook, yeah, Facebook also have a display network. Yeah, these are display networks. That's completely right. Now you select both of them, then scroll down. Location. अब आपको जब ad चलाना है, आपका जो कंप्यूटर आप बेचना चाहते हो या जो ब्रांड आप बेचना चाहते हो, जो भी आप बेचना चाहते हो, आपको दुनिया भर में तो कल सुबह नहीं बेचना है, right? You do not want to sell the entire brand tomorrow morning itself. You do not want to do that, right? You want to slowly grow the sales and you want to do the sales at a location. So let's say your business is in Noida, your business is in Hyderabad, your business is in Telangana or Bengaluru or in Mumbai. You can dedicatedly set it. Click on India, scroll down and click on location options. Or you can, yeah, location option, you keep this by default and click on enter other location. So let's say entire India you are not doing, you are just doing it for Mumbai. Just an example I'm taking. You can even do it with pin codes, by the way. So let's say I'll take Mumbai or Navi Mumbai, whatever my choice is, Mumbai as a target location. So I'll target Mumbai. Let's say Bengaluru also I'm doing. So I'll take Bangalore as a target location. This is very easy. It's extremely easy. You take a target location as Bangalore, but you have to understand how things work. Let's say in Bengaluru or Mumbai, I have a very specific pin code. So I can easily find out that pin code. I can write that pin code, or by default, there will be few pin codes available that are highly used. So let's say this pin code you want to target, that is 422011 in Maharashtra. That also you can do. Now scroll down and see what are the languages. So it's Bengaluru and Mumbai. So you first select English is there. Now in Mumbai, there are Hindi speaking people. So select Hindi. In Bengaluru also Hindi speaking people are there. You select Kannada also if Kannada is there. So you Kannada select, you select. Then you go for Mumbai is Marathi.
Now see, these are the languages you are selecting. Why you are selecting these languages? क्योंकि जो लोग ये भाषा बोलते हैं ना, people who are speaking this language, you can get hold of these people. Now scroll down and you can see how much budget you daily want to run. See, all of these ads needs money. Now you are not paying it to me. You are not paying it to your executive. You are paying it to Google, because you are running ads through Google. Let's say you are running ads through Facebook. Someone said Facebook display ads and all. You have to pay to Facebook. So you can tell that how much money you want to pay Google per day. So it's 1,000 rupees the budget for you per day. Now scroll down, don't set it to conversion, you set it to clicks. Clicks means you will be only charged, okay, when people click on your ad. Otherwise you will not be charged. Once you see that, once you set that up, and you can even set a maximum CPC. Maximum CPC is हर एक click पे how much price do you want to give to Google on per click basis. So click on right up here. So let's say 50 rupees you can maximum spend per click. They are taking it, that's great. So your bid strategy is maximize clicks is your bid strategy. Daily 1,000 rupees you are investing to grow your business, as well as once the 1,000 rupee per day is finished, they will stop the ad for the day. Next day again the automatically ad will start. Extensions are there, but these are again advanced feature. If you join the course, I will even show you more of the extensions and all. Now once you are done with this, you click on save and continue. Now once you go for save and continue, you will get to see there will be a different panel. You have to design the ad right here. Well, now you can target, it's a ad group 1, okay. Ad group 1 पे देखो daily का 1000 budget है, देखो यहाँ पे reach आ जाएगा आपका. Your campaign may be limited, yeah, keep it limited to a location, that's okay. Now let's say these are the keywords they have taken from my website itself. Okay, one second, your campaign may be later, you get more clicks per day, expand your location. Okay, fair enough. Let's expand our location because they are telling that we have a very minimum location. I will remove that pin code over there, because if we are targeting with pin codes, then we better go for dedicated codes and stuff. I mean pin codes. So we'll set out that again. We'll scroll down. We'll remove this pin code. Expand your target location. Google ads might seem little lagging. Don't break your head on that. Thoda lag kar sakta hai. Doesn't matter which network you are using, which computer you are using. So do not get angry on that. So let's say this one shall remove. And yeah, that much is more than enough, or even only Mumbai would work. Now scroll down, or even if we see for at this point of time, if we just want to keep India in general, but 1,000 rupees will be very less for that, but still, let's say for an example, we will do. So we'll set it to a dedicated country and we'll go ahead. So set it to the country. Array, it's lagging. All right, now scroll down. Now click on save and continue. Well, now scroll up. Now see, you have to grow your budget per day. Now click on this and grow your budget per day, because the location has grown big. So let's say your budget per day is 5,000 and save this budget. Now see, this will show you data. Okay, it's still very less. You have to grow the budget significantly because the area is very big. Now let's go for other keywords. These are the certain keywords. We'll go for other keywords as well. Keywords are required because whenever people will be typing, no, your ad has to be visible. Now let's add a product or a service. Let's say digital marketing for a matter of fact. Just update the keyword because this has got a very bare minimum keywords. Now, yes, replace. Wow. Now see, there are a lot of keywords on place. Okay. You can even add more keywords. Let's add more keywords. See, 544 clicks. It's a lot of clicks a day. A lot of clicks you are getting. You are also spending a lot. Let's decrease the money. So let's say now you are spending only 1,000 a day. Give it. See, the clicks will decrease. See, the clicks will decrease. आपको 119 क्लिक मिलेगा पर डे का. तो इसका और एक ऐड करते हैं कंटेंट राइटिंग. अपडेट दिस, और आपको 8 रुपीज देना पड़ेगा हर एक क्लिक के लिए. On every click you have to give 8 rupees. Let's see how many clicks now we'll be getting. So we are giving 1000 rupees per day, but every click 8 rupees. It's even more detailed. So again, we only have 1 hour. If you join the course, I can teach you better. See, 133 clicks. Our clicks increased. See, boss, this is the best thing. Even the CPC got decreased. That's awesome. Now scroll down and click on save and continue. See, we are on the verge of creating the ad. Now, if you scroll down, this is where you create the ad, something like this. Something like this you have to create, or even better than this. Something like this or even better than this. But how do you create? I will show you by creation. See, so your website is there. Display path, you can name it to digital marketing, or let's say online services. Just sample I'm doing. See, your ad is being designed, guys. Can you see it up here? देखो यहाँ पे ad design हो रहा है. Online services जो मैंने लिखा. अब इसका headline दो आप हर एक. I will just take 2 headlines. Let's say make social media content is one headline. The other headline is where to get blogs for YouTube. The other headline, 3 headlines let's take. I'll just try to show you tagged content curation, and the last one would be 10 best sources for content. Okay, so now scroll down. Let's give descriptions. They will also recommend you some descriptions suitable to your ad. You can write it also as per your wish. You can write it. So let's write, join with us to get the best digital marketing online services. Okay, see, description will come up over here. I'll write another description. I'm writing very template descriptions right now. You have to write good quality descriptions. So here you can click and take one example. You can add more descriptions. So let's try to add on more descriptions. Yeah. Now, see, this is the ad right now, guys. Have a look at it. देखो, ये है mobile view इसका. See, there are different ads that we created. See, these are the ads that will come up on this screen. Okay. देखो, these ads will come up. See, there are multiple ads. Now see the desktop version. See, this is how it comes up. Now, once people click on these ads, no, where do they redirect? They redirect it to your website, this website, or I wrote my website name, that is Inside Casa, but you can redirect it to any website. Like IntelliPart is redirecting it to their website. Once you finish off doing it, you click on save and continue. Once you save and continue, you have to add your funds. If you don't have money in your account, then ads will not run. Okay, so you have to publish the campaign, but before publishing, you have to add funds. How do you add funds? Click on this tools option. देखो यहाँ पे bills and payments रहेगा. Click on bill and payment. I think some funds is there over here. I'm not sure though. Let's see. By the way, you have to design the ad very properly. I'm telling you, I'm just doing it on a surface level. If you join in the sessions, you will get to know more. Yeah, see, here you can add on money. And you can see how much money do you have in your account and all. See, add credit or debit card. If you click on add credit or debit card, net banking or money transfer, you can add on money over this account. Okay, and if you can easily specify the payment amount, agree with this, and keep on adding the money and add on your debit card, payment card. By the way, let me tell you, Google is a trusted source. There are a lot of people who add a lot of money into Google just for their ads. Like even we as a academy, we do that. My clients, I'm handling multiple clients into Google ads as well. We are also doing it. There are a lot of companies. Okay, guys, did you get this? Let me see the chat now. बहुत time से only I am speaking. Expensive, yeah. It depends on you. Yeah, first time it can be little difficult. Kindly, yes. Okay, I think I was on very less Hindi, by the way. Right hand side doesn't matter, indicate reflecting. Yes, it matters a lot. Who is this? Linesh. Yes, sir, it matters a lot, Linesh. If you see, it has to be excellent. The quality has to be excellent to get approval. Now, this is just one course, okay, of Google Ads. At Kallada, we have a lot of courses that we provide. Okay, and our courses are completely dependent on digital marketing, and we have all different versions of courses. We have courses like WhatsApp marketing, website creation, graphic designing, Facebook ads, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, email marketing, social media marketing, then search engine optimization is a 6 days of a session. It's there. Blogging we have affiliate marketing, Google Analytics, Google Ads. अभी आप जो कर रहे थे, this one is a 6 days of a session, but we just did it in one. So there are a lot of things, to be very frank. Freelancing, we have 2 days of session. And lead generation, WhatsApp marketing, digital marketing, competitor analysis. There are tons of things. If you people really want to subscribe, then you people have to know like what exactly we are up to. So if you see, if you want to join with Kalada, we have a lot of facilities for all of the people who join with us. So we have it called Advanced Digital Marketing course. All right. Now ADMC actually is a course that makes you enable to understand digital marketing completely and to learn it within a period of 3.5 months. Okay. If you see this, guys, you get a lot of facilities with it, like the sessions that are scheduled. These are only scheduled on Saturdays and Sundays. 2 slots you have with that. That is at 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Only one slot you have to come, both Saturday and Sunday. So if you are even in a job or a business, you can easily come in. Again, we do weekend batches only because it helps to attend sessions regularly. जो लोग काम करते हैं, उनको सुविधा होता है, उनको अच्छा होता है. They feel comfortable to do it. Okay. Program facilities and training facilities are live sessions. So again, the trainer who is with you, you get to do a live session. The trainer is with you, you get to do the session with